Add some personal style to your weather-ready shoes in these boots by Bogs. This synthetic upper has that classic rain boot feel with a patterned textile for some extra style. Both create a waterproof shoe so you can enter any weather condition with ease. This 7-inch shaft has some cutouts for an easy pull-on when you're getting ready, and inside rests a textile lining resting softly on your feet with a well-padded insole. A leather and synthetic outsole is highly textured and ridged for the utmost grip on wet terrains. Get these to go outside confidently, rain or shine this season.